Hi, I'm Dr. Mariel Cordero, and we're excited to share to you our authentic hair transplant results.
Hi, I'm Dr. Julieta Peralta Arambulo. Hair transplantation has the potential to be a transformative, life-changing procedure for those struggling with androgenetic alopecia. This is the same patient with severe AGA. As you can see, my experience allows me to deliver these outstanding results with only two well-performed procedures needed to achieve full coverage as in this case. How is this possible? Ensure your safety by choosing a certified hair transplant specialist with verified credentials. Physicians' personalized training for the surgical team is key to achieving optimal outcomes.
Hi, I am Nurse Bettina, and these are our amazing surgical team. These are real patients with real results. No filters, no edits.
So, with us, you'll see the progress you have made at each stage, from the initial procedure to full growth. Each patient's journey is unique, and we're proud to share these transformations. We at Asian Hair Restoration Center want you to feel confident knowing that these results are entirely achievable with our approach and dedication.
So, if you're considering hair transplantation, we hope that these real results inspire you.
It's a process, but the results speak for themselves. Let's take a look and remember, we're here to guide you every step of the way.